Gravity halved. Earth's fate? What if Earth's gravity dropped to half overnight? Would we even survive? Mountains would shoot upward, rock layers could rise kilometers in just a few years. Oceans would spread out, flooding coastlines and swallowing islands. You'd jump and hang in the air like you're on the moon. But with weaker gravity, our atmosphere could start drifting into space. Earth would lose air and pressure fast. Within centuries, breathing would get tough. In thousands of years, oceans could boil away. How long before Earth turns into a barren, airless rock?